Driver clear.
Driver is making a sharp U-turn to the left. Hold on to your small children and personal belongings. All clear. Welcome aboard the courtesy tram into the main entrance to Disney's MGM Studios. That is your driver. My name is Frank. I hope you enjoy your day here at the Disney MGM Studios. Park is open until 7 o'clock. 7:30 tonight.
Oh, 7:30 tonight?
At 7:30 we close with our fantastic show. Very popular show. Give yourself at least an hour for seating. That show fills up quickly, and the seating is limited. 4 p.m. today down Hollywood Boulevard, the Disney Stars and Motor Cars Parade. The tram that you're riding on at this time runs all evening.